the flower. So again, we didn't want it too short, okay? Because what we're going to do, we're going to take the ink pen, okay? And we're going to take and place it here, and we're going to put a little glue on here to stick it onto the pen. We're going to use what's known as floral tape. This is green floral tape. The green floral tape can be found any place. And as you get a little stretch, it becomes sticky where it sticks to whatever you're wrapping it around, okay? Then I also have some yellow floral tape. It's the same way, and it is also sticky. Now, again, you can find this almost any place. This I had to order online to get this because it's hard to find it in stores. You may be able to find it in some stores, but I ordered this online. I do have other colors that in the future you're going to see me use for other projects. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a long piece of tape. I would say probably about 1.5 feet. It's better to have a long piece. And so then I'm going to cut it, okay? There's my piece of floral tape. I've cut it, okay? So now I'm going to take the ink pen and I'm going to put just a little bit glue on it, okay? So after I put the glue, I'm going to take the wire and attach it to the area where the glue is at, okay? Then I'm going to take the floral tape and I kind of wrap it. Watch it because it's hot. You don't want to put your hands on that hot glue. And I'm going to, okay, now pen, don't act up. I'm going to attach it to the pen. Okay. Okay. Put some glue around there and attach it. Wrap it around. And as you wrap it, pull the floral tape as you wrap, because as you're doing that, that's making it stick to the pen, okay? And just keep twirling it around. Try not to have any spacing in between, and just keep twirling and twirling the tape around the ink pen, okay? And keep twirling, almost to the tip. A lot of times when I get to the tip, I like to leave a little bit out so people can see if it's a blue or black pen, because some people, for business purposes or whatever, need a certain color pen. So once I get to this point, I take and start wrapping it back upward, okay? So I'm wrapping it upward. Twisting it until it comes to the top. Now, as I'm pulling it, it is going to be tight and stick to itself, but I still sometimes add just a little spot of glue, just a little touch of glue, and then I wrap it to the end. Okay, so. And then it's kind of much, so sometimes I'll just pull that last little piece off and just put it to the side. And so here we go. We have our pen. And so I've already done 2. And so now this is something beautiful that someone can put on their desk. Okay? It's just in a little glass bowl. And that's a lovely gift for someone. Okay? So I'm going to do this one more time. This time I'm going to use this flower. Here's my wire. And here's the pen I'm going to use. Okay? So I'm going to take the pen and put just a little bit glue onto the pen. I forgot to pull out this, about a nice long piece. Okay, so got that glue on there. Take this and by the wire, put that wire part onto the pen. Then take the wire, the floral tape, and start to wrap it around the ink pen. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can use crazy glue. And then some, you really don't really have to have the glue. I like to use the glue so that it doesn't unravel and that the flower will hold in place much better. So that's why I like to do the glue, but you don't have to do the glue. The person that showed me how to do it, they didn't use the glue. Well, once they found out how I did the glue, they started to use the glue because they said, yes, sometimes it will unravel. So to stop it from, not have to worrying about it unraveling, just take and put that little dot of glue at the beginning and the end, okay? Now, really, you could take and stop the tape at the bottom here and just stop it there, okay? But I'm going to roll it, double roll it, because that makes sure that it's going to hold. And that sometimes that little stem, it also sometimes can poke through, so nobody will hurt their hands on that part. So I just continue to wrap. Okay. And then again, when it's coming to the end, just put a little dot of glue. Do another wrap of it. And okay. And pull it hard. Pull the floral tape as you wrap. Pull. Okay. So that's it on this one. And for this one, I'm going to put it in this container. I have a bunch of them that I've made here. Okay, I did show you the ones in yellow, but this is another one I made. This is a cute one I did on one of my other videos. I put the little heart in the middle, and that's a nice little ink pen. Okay, now when you do them, it will feel sticky at first, but eventually that stickiness is going to wear off, and it won't be like that. Even if you don't have to use it for the stickiness to wear off. It just all of a sudden, it just automatically wears off. So that's not a big issue. Okay, so let's do one with this yellow tape. Because I think that yellow tape is going to be pretty. So let's do one with the green. Okay, so we're going to take this green one. Okay, and again, you're going to take the wire. Here's the ink pen. Okay, now we're using the yellow. So again, kind of make it, I say about a foot and a half. Somewhere in there. And with the yellow tape, it is a little thinner. So you definitely have to do double up on putting it on the pen, because it's kind of see-through by it being a light color. Okay, so here we go. Again, put it there, stick it. We've cut the tape, and so we're gonna put it here and wrap it around, and then continue to wrap it. And you see how it's a light color? So you can just do it one time, but I'm going to do it 2 times, like I did the other ones, double taping it. And then also I have some gaps in between here, so double wrapping it will take and hide those gaps. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm maybe holding it a little awkward because I'm trying to show what I'm doing. Making sure you give it a little pull and go around. Go around with it. Okay. And then once we get to the end, we're going to put a little glue at the end. And put it down. So there we go. So, and here's my other little box. So I have mine, and they're all ink pens. And